Most traders know the patterns. Breakouts, gap fills, bounces off the 9 EMA. And yet, most still fail, not from a lack of knowledge. They fail because they're trading without context. Would you drive blindfolded on the freeway? That's what it's like trading without understanding market structure. Are we trending, consolidating, or reversing? Which setups fit today's environment? What levels truly matter and which are just noise? Market context answers all of that. That's why every morning I post a clear market context and game plan. It's the same blueprint I use before every trade. You'll know if we're in expansion or contraction mode, when to trust the open or fade it, whether a gap will run or reverse, where traders are trapped and where price is likely to react. With context, you're not chasing, you're executing. If you want to trade with clarity and conviction, read the daily game plan by 9 a.m. EST on Substack. Join us live on Discord and YouTube. It's not about seeing more setups. It's about knowing which ones matter before the bell rings. morning, traders. How you guys doing? Oh gosh, I mean, market is just on the roll. I mean, I cannot tell you. I mean, this is the roller coaster started again. The VIX, UVXY, everything is just moving so sharply. So, yeah. Good morning. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, everyone, guys on the YouTube. So, I mean, I also think what is the likely scenario would be, for me, it is really important for NQ to hold 25,000. And if it holds 25,000, then there is a chances that we're going to see, 20, 2550, 25,100. But if it fails 25,000, then there's a likelihood that we're going to see the bullish scenario, bear scenario. So I'm pretty open for both. It could be in a higher low structure, lower high structure, given the market is bouncing. I'm not yet sure whether market is going to continue the upside move, but definitely it reclaims the all the short-term moving averages, and even in the long-term moving averages has been uh, claimed. So I will go. I will take day by day. I'm not guessing anything, but definitely I would just say that top side is a little bit heavy. Anytime it moves up, definitely is catching up, but it's also failed very quickly on the top side as well. So I will be open on the both ideas and scenarios. For me, is a key level, as I explained, and if these levels are going to work, then I'm going to continue to do that. Right now, we are very close to the almost in half an hour remaining. I don't see any downside orders. Everything is on the upside. It's definitely kind of on a weird spot at this point. Morning, Valdemar. How's everything? Yep. So it seems to that the market is not really bullish, but is trying to show that it is really bullish. Okay. It's trying to reclaim all the moving averages. The question is that after this Friday sell-off, is market wanted to turn back into the a range and volatile space where market wants to go up and down, or market wants to reclaim the trend and just make the new high? I mean, I don't know the answer, and I think that we should not be looking for the answer. What I'm feeling like, okay, you know what? Market is uh, aggressively pulling back up, okay, with no structure, right? Morning up, afternoon down, again morning up, so no structure at this point. I will go level by level. If NQ can hold 25,000 range, then we look for the upside move. And if it comes below 25,000, I look for downside move. Similarly, on the ES, if it can reclaim 67 to 6720, then I will look for the upside moves. If it's failed 6700, then I will just look for the downside move. So I'm going to go with the move by move plan. I'm not going to um, look for any adventure in the sense that going to start guessing things. Does it make sense to you guys what I'm saying? So right now we are holding on the top side. Look at the book map. Look, see how many orders are sitting on the upside, but it just maybe the fake ones after grabbing the liquidity
it could quickly drop. So right now, definitely holding it. See, I guys that do not chase the moves here. That is the problem, that we cannot chase the moves. She, almost 20 more minutes left in the to the open the market. I mean, just be very careful in the market in a way that that right now, even though it looks so bullish, but I would not trust this bullish market, because this is the bounce without the structure. It is also possible that we can rally in the first 15-20 minutes or half an hour, and then we sell all afternoon. What'd you guys say? Why everyone so quiet today? Any question, guys? Why, Mark? Good morning, Mark. Why do you think that the 6748 is a key area? Yeah. I think that the market has either already made the lower high structure now. 6740 is really big. If you look at the high of the all time high is 6800 in 2012, right? And right now we are almost the uh, 6740. So it's almost the 60 70 points down. Now, it is possible what you're saying that the from the 4 hour cluster perspective, I don't usually follow, but if you look at it, it could be possible that this bounce, 6750 area bounce, could be the lower high bounce, the last bounce we're going to see in the market before market starts selling off. And the 6750 area is also the high of the September 21st. But I feel like that the market has already moved a lot, so it is likely the this could be the high for now, and the market going to pull back, and there may be another leg up to trap, but I feel like that market going to open, move a little bit, people going to think that this is a bullish trend, and that's where market going to trap everybody and then start coming fly. So maybe the first few minutes of buying definitely going to happen if they wanted to trap um, the the traders. But I doubt so because the way market has moved from yesterday all the way up without any significant pullback, we had the pullback at 670 news driven, and then market again ripped. Um, if this is a bullish trend, then markets need to reach a 6710 or 6700, and then people going to get back into the trade, and then we're going to go the next leg up. But if it's going to go like this with the volatility, I think it's not going to sustainable. It has to come back down uh, in order to make the new leg up. But this point, the question is that the where would be the short range? So for me, this I'm gonna draw the line in the sand is a 25,000 level. I wanted to see that market can hold this level or not. If it can hold, I'm going to look for the upside moves. If it cannot hold, I'll look for the downside moves. And I personally think that the market direction will be determined based on the first move market going to make after market going to open. If the first is a pullback without spiking up, right? Without spiking up, if it's just pullback, then it's likely going to be bought back. But if it's going to be a spike and then fail and then come down under 25,000, there's a like the high possibility is there's the top for this week, and we're gonna see the market is going to come back down and close somewhere around 600. Because remember, today what we have is Wednesday. We have 3 more days, right? Today is a hump day. So if you look at the from Monday we had the upside day. Tuesday we started gap down, we went further down, and then we moved all the way and closed the gap. So one up, one down. Now we are above uh, of Monday and Tuesday, right? Now the question is that is this going to make the new high day, or is going to first initially move up and then fail and then come back down and close under the Tuesday, or within the range of Tuesday? I think that's what going to be the question we need to figure out as market going to open. Okay, this leg, okay, it's coming back up now. There's some order sitting at 24.45, 25.45. So it seems to me that they wanted to go and take the upside liquidity first. So when market going to open, I think it's going to spike up. I think as market is moving, if it's continue to rip, I'm going to get more bearish and bearish. Yeah, he's coming. I think he just got busy and tied up into some meetings, so he's going to join soon. If you want, you can join as well. Do you wanted to join, Mark? Do you have the access to the microphone and the camera? I'm thinking to create some mentorship program where you can come and join and live trade with me live on the camera if you wanted to join. So it's trying really hard to break above 25,030, but it fails every time. And we have almost 8 minutes before the market opens. The possibility that they're gonna fail here now. Here you go. I think they're failing now. Market is just chopping around here. I think it's going to go drop a big from here. 4 more minutes to go. The question is that is the market going to make the first move on the upside and then downside, or how it is going to do? I can't hear you. You are saying something, Khurshid? I can't hear you. You saying something? Yeah, this likely the possible. If they wanted to grab the liquidity on the top side, then the first move should be on the upside. Let's see. Let's see how does it go. Too much congestion is at this point. ES is wanting to come back down and retest the VWAP. NQ still holding it. Guys, 4 seconds left. Good luck. This stream is only for education and entertainment purposes. All right, first spike down. Okay, first move down. All right, I think this is a very important level. Market is trying to retest now. I wanted to see if it's a real deal on the upside, then it has to come down, retest, and then move back up. So let's see. It came down. Let's see what's next now. All right, we'll see that now. What's going to do next now? Okay, SPY is moving up now. Okay, I'm gonna go long over 24,975 if it's going to go up. Yeah, if it's going to go up. Okay, I'm long. Come on, don't stop. No, 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 don't go back. Come on. I'm long, still long here. Okay, I stopped out. I'm stopped out. Okay, it's just too much fluctuation. I stopped out at 55. Okay, let's wait for the next trade. It was just too volatile. Here you go, man. It's going up now. Let's wait and then we can go try again. Not right now. It's too jumpy and too volatile at this point. Okay, I'm out. I'm waiting for the next trade. It's coming back down now. Still waiting, guys. It's just too volatile at this point. I think, as we initially expected, that it could be the downside move to close the gap, and it's closing the gap now. It's too volatile. It's still, look at the each candle size. It's really too big. I'm still waiting, guys. So let's see, it's making a lower highs or what it's going to make now. Still weak, but the candle size is really too big. I'm still waiting, guys. ES is holding. It might be a rotation. Money coming out from the NQ. NQ is just a bit weak. Oh, you go. Look at this spike again. This market is just crazy. Look at this spike. How big it a spike was. 50-point spike. Market is just chopping, man. This market is like the wild horse right now. It's just moving in all directions. I don't know what it's trying to do. I mean, it's really wild. I'm not taking a trade. It's really wild. Look at this pattern. It still is making lower highs, but it's very much congested. Hard to manage risk here. Yeah, but even though the moves are really aggressive, even the falls are really aggressive. The candle size are more than 7 8 points, so um, hard to manage risk here. Because if it's you go long, it's gonna dump you 15 10 points, and you won't be able to survive that. 26, it's 42 almost. So this is the first candle where it's holding over the VWAP now on the NQ. Let's see what it does here. Again, this is on the top side right now. Let's see what it does. Here you go. Finally, market broke out here. Let's see that if we can find a setup here. They are still in the same range. If you look at it, they are still within very close to the opening range. But yes, ES is making much better move. But if you look at it, I mean, I like the consolidation which is making over the before the pre-market high, which is breakout of 67.40, which move almost 7 points. So ES looks better, but it seems too congested. I think just give a little bit more time. I guess it's just making very volatile web show moves. Um, you know, I like that, but it's too volatile. It's dumping, 20, 30 points on you immediately. See here, the moment it moved back up and then dumped on you. So I think that I think that the market wants to do a little consolidation here. Um, but if you look at it, the bottoming tail created on 30 minutes is really big. Um, so we'll see that. I'll find if we can find anything. I I think it's very much possible it's going to be the range there. The way they just volatile. The one way to recognize this is that um, then when market is have a lot of you know big candles, it's likely showing that this is going to be volatile and range bound. But ES is there's definitely a divergence. ES is just slowly moving up with the small candles, whereas the NQ is making have a larger candles. Look at the 5 minute on the ES. It's just too wide. The candle size are too big. Man, it's just ripping. Look at the ES. Yeah, I think it was a good entry at 40. Uh, but I was just thinking it's just gonna be the trap again, the way it was moving. But I think the best entry we would have got it at 67.40, which we missed it. So after that, there is no more entry. Either we have to wait for the pullback to get the new entry. We can't chase that move because right now, today is not a day we can chase. If we're gonna chase, we're gonna lose more. This is third 5 minutes. Look at the bullish third 5 minute, very extremely bullish candle now. I think it's going to trap soon. Again, but let's see. There's a lot of orders sitting. A lot of orders sitting on 25,050 area, and right now we are on the ES 6754, which was talking about in the pre-market. But this does look like already a win at this point here. Tape has again slowed down. No idea what is going to come next here in the market. Yeah, yeah, because there's some order they wanted to grab. Um, so 25,050 has some orders, and tape has really slowed down, not moving aggressively. And I think this is the important one, where you can trust the calmness. But the problem is that this calmness you cannot trust, given it is on the top side. It can easily fail again. So, um, but this is the way usually you like to trade when you have smaller size candles, not the sizes we have taken. If we have not taken the first risk, we have taken this trade here. Yeah, we took it 75, right? 70, 75. So yeah, yeah, it's almost there. But I think this is moving nicely. This is the calmness. It may go to 2580 now. I see the big order sitting at 2580. Holy smoke. Yep, it's going to capture now. I'm not in the trade, guys. I cannot chase now. I felt like there was a good entry at 6740 on the ES. I didn't like any entry on NQ. I mean, if you want to take a risk, there would be an entry on the NQ as well, uh, which was basically over over 40. but I felt like it's too risky to take on the pre-market high. The way market was behaving earlier, so I did not. I'm not in the trade. I'm red for the day because of the first trade. I'm just waiting now if we can find a better trade here. Uh, and that's what happens sometimes. You just miss it, right? Here you go, man. 25 100. Wow. I was thinking there's some motor sitting at 25 100. They just wanted to grab all of them. Yeah, yeah. But I think I fell. I think we stopped on the right place. It's just that the entry. I'm just thinking that I didn't trust the next entry, which was much better in the ES, uh, which is on 6740. I think that was a perfect entry which we have missed it. NQ did not give us the better entries because NQ was volatile until it crossed 625,040, and then it started calming down. When we are talking about this now is table slow down. That just really means that the market is now one sided. Yeah. So always remember. So when market breaks the high and then slows down and slowly, and then the candle size is really small, it just really means that they want to continue the trend. It's all depend on the candle sizes. Look at this 5 minutes. I was talking about 10 minutes ago that ES is really extended. Look at now 5 minute chart of ES. I cannot even trust this movement. Look at this ES 5 minutes. Wow, unbelievable. Look at this move. Okay, guys, I'm going to go short. If E is going to break 60-70 and is going to fail here, I'm going to go short. For I would say any rejection candle, I'm gonna go short. And I will give this trade as at least two attempt. I will try first short and then I will try second short if I get fail. I'm basically looking for a shooting star now where I need to see the failure. Exactly. See? I was telling and then God is listening. Alright, so I'm looking for a shooting star. If we got a shooting star, I'm going to go short. Not yet. There is no. I would love to see the shooting star on the 5 minute. That must be much better than the 1 minute shooting star. If you can get the 5 minute candle shooting star, we still we still have a 4 minutes. Yeah, go ahead, sorry. We still have a 4 minutes to close this candle. Come on. I don't want this. I want more aggressive. Come on, go aggressive. Maybe one more push to 6770 and then fail. Come on. Come on, do it. Man, it's failing. wait, I can't short now. Unless it's gonna start coming back down now. Okay, I started to see the tape start moving really, really fast now. Yeah, and he's still holding it. Come on, man. This I don't like this pullback. This is not a shooting star. Come on. I want to spike up. If they're talking to you. Sorry? No, but that's not enough. I mean, the momentum was really strong. We need little, the, yeah, yeah. Okay, let's see. This is making a first higher lows. Let's see, can it fail here? Okay, guys, get ready for shorting it. Okay, I'll give it two attempts at least. I'm gonna go smaller size and I'm gonna give two attempts. I'm looking to see the failure under 65.60 on the ES. I'm in the trade, guys. First, I'm gonna go in small size. I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna add into my position. If you're gonna see a big leg, big drop down, then I'm gonna add on the pullbacks. It's almost 10:15. The 45 minutes are gone. It's looking like a bull flag now. Okay, let's see what it does here. It made the lower high. I don't want this to now break 63. I don't want to re I don't want the ES to go back over 67, 63 now. I want this to fail here. Okay, it's doing good now. Come on. Because I'm in the trade on the short side. Okay, it's moving in a direction. I want this to break aggressively under 57. Okay, it's moving in a direction, guys. Come on, more. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. And another flash to 54, 52. Come on, come on. So 60, 67, 60. Come on, I want this to go. Come on, don't pull back. I don't like this pullback. Come on. I want this to go to 67.50. Come on, come on. I didn't like this pullback. Come on, 67.50. Come on, come on. No, 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 no. I didn't like this one. This pullback is not good. Come on. I didn't like this consolidation at all. This has to fail here. Come on, fail. All right, 3 more minutes before this 5 minute close. I want this to close as a red candle. Yep, I mean, it's not wanting to go down. Thank you, sitting on the top side again. Still holding it over the top side. Let's see what it does. The stop loss is the high of the day. It's likely not gonna go there. It's gonna fail here. No, it shouldn't be. I think that this is the place where it's going to pull down now. Let's see that. I'm still holding it, but it has to come down under 55. Usually the 1030 would be the place where it started coming back down, but it's really good that it's holding it. But the way it is holding, um, what I don't really want is the fake out first and then sell off. I just want sell off now. I don't want the fake out. If it didn't make the shooting star, what I'm really looking for is consolidating now. So when it's consolidating, it can have a chance to make the fake out. I mean, if it's gonna fail, it's gonna go back to the 42 area. 62, come on. Okay, coming down now. Come on. Here you go. The tape started getting faster now. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Drop it. Drop it to the 51. Come on, come on, come on. I wanted to drop it to 50s. I wanted to take the partial close to 47, 48. Come on. Really, really one. Come on. Come on. Big one. Come on. Big drop. Come on. One big drop. Come on. Come on. Again, this pulling back up. That's crazy. Come on. Don't do that. Come on. Okay, I think it's getting ready for now. I'm going to add under 67.58. If this time if it's going to fall under 67.50, and I'm going to add into my position. If it's going to fail under 67.50, and I'm going to add. If it's going to fail under 67.58, I'm going to go short. I'm going to add into my position. NQ is making bull flag again. Okay, I added into my position now. Now just good luck. No, no, don't bounce. Man, this is just a crazy. Come on, fail R4. This is R4 here. I think it's likely gonna fail R4 here. Come on. Here you go. Coming. It's coming, guys. It's coming. Downside move is coming. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Which is, are you in the trade? Mark, are you in the trade on the YouTube? It's really taking too long, man. I didn't like this bounce. Come on. Come on. Don't trap us. Come on. Basically, the problem is that there's a lot of orders sitting on the NQ on the top side. The worst thing could happen is that the NQ drag the ES up. Man, it's not. It doesn't look good. Come on. Failure, man. Just move a little bit down. Here you go. I think it's coming now. Okay, good. 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 Anyone is with me on the trade? Come on, drop 55. What happening? It's really crazy. It's bouncing again. What? Here you go. It's coming, guys, coming. Come on, push down, please go. One drop, one drop. Big drop, come on. Trap, 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 trap. Drop, drop, drop. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, ES. Come on, ES. Come on. One drop, come on. I'm waiting for this drop. Come on. Come on. No more spike. Come on. Again spike, man. This is just a bizarre price action. Anyone with me on this trade, guys, on the YouTube? I don't really want too much. I just really want to retest 67.50 first. Come on. Okay, it's coming back now. Come on. Let's do that this time. Come on. Here you go. Here you go. Coming 54. Little bit more. Here you go. Come on, come on, come on. 53. Come on. Awesome. Awesome. Come on, drop, drop. Drop to 47. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it. Again, it's holding from 52. I don't like it. Come on. But it's coming. I guess I think it's coming now. It's just a matter of time. Come on. But it's just too slow price action. I didn't like it. Look at the way NQ is holding over the highs. That is basically making everything worse because NQ is not dropping now. It will come, but it's still holding. ES is better. ES is better coming down than the NQ if you look at it on 5 minutes. NQ is still holding, trying to kissing the 25,090, 25,100 like that. It's coming now, guys. Very slow price action. This has to be aggressive. I mean, I don't like this the way it is moving down. It can easily pull back now. NQ is really holding. I mean, that's really a pain. All right, 2 more minutes. Let's see how this 5 minute closes. Okay, it's coming down now. Awesome. All right, come on, let's continue. Yes, and now NQ is also coming down. Volume is growing, but very slow price action. I'm still holding it. Are you with me in the Khurshid in my trade with me? You didn't re-enter? Oh, how about you, Mark? Are you in the trade with me? All right. Only okay. 5 minutes are over. Let's see what it does here now. Can it fail here, or can it make the new? Can you start moving back up again? Come on, don't hold 55. Come on, push down. It's such a bizarre price action. Man. So slow. I don't even understand this the nature of this price action. That just really means that they are building the short position here, and they wanted to trap as many long as possible here. No, they want people to think that it's going to break out, and they're creating the algo in a way that if you are long bias, you would be long getting long or 67.55. But the moment you enter, it's going to drop on you. So try on the simulator. Anytime you go to the simulator and feel like you're long biased, and then and think about it when you're gonna go long. Okay, so moment you're gonna think you're going long, you just go long and see what happens. They're basically trapping the longs here, and I think this may be the high of this week. We'll see. Mark is trapping sellers or trapping buyers. We'll see, or maybe trapping both. We don't know. Time will tell. But I know that I think likely drop to the 67.47 is probable. Then how far it's gonna go down, I don't know. But the way it moved up, I think that there's likely be the sell off here. And then try it, Krushi, try on the sim. Every time you think you're going too long, go long here and then see what happens. Because see, if I'm long biased, I would have went long above 64.57, and now immediately 3 points drop on me, and now 4 points, and now 5 points, and now 6 points, and now 7 points. Drop the long biased. Come on. You might gonna add on this pull. You're gonna see, oh, is holding this pullback. You might gonna add on this uh, drop, and then see he's gonna drop further on you. I'm gonna take the partial. The moment is going to drop close to 50. Come on, there's some orders sitting at 50, some orders sitting on 60. I want really to go. I want at least to give me a 50 and then do whatever they wanted to do. Come on, come on, give me a little bit more. Come on, you can do it, market. Come on, here you go. Drop. Come on, give me 50. No, no, drop further. Go to the moving average. Come on, go to the moving. No, 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 no pull back. No pull back. Push down. Go, give me the 50. Come on, come on, come on, give me 50. Here you go. Come on, you're almost 10 points coming in. Come on. Here you go. I took the partial. Sorry, go ahead. What did you say? Yeah, it's so slow, but you never know what's gonna happen next. I'm on the 50. I took the one contract out. I'm still. Here you go. Here you go. Come on. Come on, drop. Drop. Come on, drop, man. Drop. You understand? Drop means DROP. Drop. Come on. Come on. Again, 2 points up, man. This is just a bizarre transaction. Yes, please do the moving stop down. I think it's going to go to 40. You're gonna see that. Yeah, I took the 200. But the problem I had, I think I had the same problem when I had the problem yesterday. That I took the first trade bigger side, and then I didn't take the next trade small side. So, you know, that I think last 2 days I'm doing the same mistake. But there's a good trade. But I basically did the first trade with my regular size, and I don't want it to have a two stop losses. So I basically manage in a way that if I get the 10 points move, I'm likely going to be the break even. Um, because see, the reasoning is that I was looking for a doji here and I didn't get a doji. So it was not the A plus setup for me. But still, that's a good setup. We need to get a pullback because it moved a lot, right? So I basically sized in a way that if I get green, I'm just gonna close the break even. Um, but if we avoided the first trade, we would have taken the long trade as well and the short trade as well. Both trade would have taken it. It's just because of the one bad trade, and then I was just more conscious. Then my guards are on. I don't want to lose more. I don't want to lose more. Because I was not really expecting that the NQ did what it did in the first 5-10 minutes. The really strong both sided move. But I still think that the market is done for making a new high for this week. I don't think so. We're going to see the next this high again. If it's dropped to under 50, close to 47, then I at least I'm going to get the Big Mac today. Big Mac. Yeah, because I size in a way that, right, if I close now, I'm $32 in the money. But if it's dropped to 47, under 50, I'm gonna likely make $300-400. So, or if it's close on my break even, then I'm going to lose. I'm gonna be stop out at $70 negative. So let's see what happens now. 70. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's the thing. So if I break even, if it's close break even this one contract, then I'm no, basically I closed everything. Right now it is really what I've added this position. So my average is really low now. So I only have a 3 points move, close to. Okay, here I don't think so. We're gonna stop out. I think this is trapping bulls here. I think the drop is coming. Come on, drop it. This is a perfect chance for you. Why you want to grab more liquidity from the long buyers? Basically, this every move, every 5 minute candle is trapping the longs. It's it's 100% possible that it's going to recover. It's going to go back to the lows of the day. The way it is moving, you can easily go back to the low of the day because the way it's slowly dropping, it's just trapping all the way from the top all the way. It's trapping the longs because every move up, when see if you look at the 5 minute chart, every new 5 minute candle breaking out a little bit of the previous 5 minute candle and then filling. So when you go long, how you go long? You go long on the breakout of the previous candle, isn't it? Right? So it's basically trapping all the longs from the day, from the opening candles that you're gonna feel is going up, right? And you're gonna long go long and it's gonna trap you. Because every candle is breaking out the previous candle. So let's see that if we can get the drop to 47. But that's the way because see they still wanted to build the liquidity. They wanted to come down without telling them they're coming down. Do you see they don't want people to show. They want people to buy here so they can sell. If they do aggressive selling, then people will be get scared and they will not buy. You see what I'm saying? Well, they want people to buy, right? So they want people to buy. So what they're going to do, they're going to orchestrate the move on the upside first, engineer the move, and now they're coming down in a way that they will not show that they're coming down. Yeah, because they want buyers to buy and don't get scared from the move. Because right now, when they're gonna when they're gonna see the last move, which is going to be a 10 to 12 points move down, then they're gonna get scared. But they were likely be the trap already. So see, right now we have 67.50. Just imagine if it's gonna drop now here. What's gonna do? It's gonna drop at least 10 points. Yeah, I mean, if they're gonna trap you, go along on the sim and see what happens. That's the best way you can learn. And it's now they're gonna trap. And if this leg is coming down, it's going to go all the way to 67.40. Guys, I have an 11 o'clock call. I wanted to go, but I will leave a little bit stream on. My profit target is close to 47. My last contract, and my stop loss is 67.55. So I see what's going to happen. I really want this to drop, come at 11 o'clock before I leave. You know what? I usually don't like. I usually put everything at 10:30. 10:30 is my. I usually get extended. And if I don't keep the meetings, it just put me under discipline, right? So if I don't keep the meeting, then I just force myself keep trading like that. Okay, it's pushing up. Let's see what it does here. Very close to my break stop loss. Okay, I stopped out here. Yeah, I stopped out. Likely be, I don't know what it's going to do next. 11 o'clock is just big candle came in. It's maybe retested R4 and might is going to come back, drop again, backs quickly. It's just another trap. But let's see that. I feel that ES is going to come down here. It's just a trap move. Alex, I'm not following the NQ today. I'm trading ES. So I'm not sure. Maybe NQ may move. I see some orders on the book map, so it might gonna go. But I'm looking at the ES. So 11 o'clock again. It rejected the R4 here. Let's see what it does. I'm already stopped out here, guys. Uh, I'm finishing slightly red, only 55 bucks. Yeah, but I would love to see the drop so then I can get at least $400-500 rather than taking $100. Yeah, no, no, that's fine. It's coming back down now. Look at this. I told this is crap. All right, I think it's getting ready. I'm went back long short again. I re-entered on my break-even price 55. I re-entered here. I think it's coming down now. It's trapped already on the long side. Now I think now this drop is going to go all the way to 67.40. So I'm going to take the profit close to 67.46, 47. I think it's going to go to 40 now. If it's going to break under 50, it's going to go all the way down there. All right, guys, I'm going to head out. Okay, guys, I'm going to put the stop loss. I mean, it's again coming back to my break even 55, but now it is making the higher lows and bottoming tails. And there's a consolidation between 10:40 to 11 o'clock under R4. But guys, I'm going to put the stop loss at 58. I'm going to take the 3-point stop loss here on this last. I re-added it. I'm going to take the 3-point stop loss, and if it's going to move above, I'm going to be stopped out. All right, guys, I'm going to head out. Okay, I'll see you. Bye, guys. Thank you very much. And if you love the trading, the way we're trading, and then like the setups, please give a thumbs up. Really appreciate uh, you helping us out. Okay, I'm still in the short. My profit target is close to 45, 46. One is going to drop, and then stop loss is 58. So it's still the good risk to reward ratio. All right, guys. Thank you very much.